Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use Janitor AI with DeepSeek. So guys, if you want to use the DeepSeek model into the Janitor, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, here you see that I am on my Janitor AI, and I want to chat with this AI character, where I'm simply go downward, and here I'm go for the option of start a new chat. Okay, when I click the option of start a new chat, so guys, currently my model is using the Janitor. Okay, when I click option of using this, then guys, here you see the option of provider. Okay, so here is in the provider, you simply go here, and here you see that it shows the OpenAI cloud, but here we use the proxy. So first you go here and click here for new. Now you simply go and enter your proxy name. So here you simply search DeepSeek. Okay, after that enter your chat URL, and here you enter the here you can enter your model name, like model number, okay, with proper name, custom prompt, and here is the API key. For API key, simply search DeepSeek API key. Okay, you go for the DeepSeek platform API docs, where you get your first API call. Okay, and here how you can get of these, you read this documentation and you get all your things. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can done. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. And guys, if you want to apply for the API key, so guys, here is the API key. Okay, so you simply logged in with your credentials and you get your API key. So guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.